Role of profit in the business. As we were learning in the last video, business is an economic activity, so earning profit is the main objective of every business. Although earning profit cannot be the only or sole objective of a business, but it is very important objective of every business, that every businessman start a business to earn profit. That's why business is considered as an economic activity. The reasons are, the very first reason why business role of what is the role of profit in the business, that is required for the survival of the business. A business and businessman cannot survive for a long period without earning adequate profit. Profit is a source of income for a businessman which becomes its means of livelihood. Profit is needed to satisfy the needs of the businessman and his family members. Expansion and growth. The business is expanded only when it is earning sufficient amount of profit. When profit is large, a part of it can always be reinvested for expansion or diversification of production and other operations of the business. Retention of profit is an internal source of funds. The internal source of fund is more dependable and a cheaper source as compared to external source, bank, financial institution, etc. Because when business borrow from external sources, it has to mortgage its assets and pay high rate of interest. Whereas on retained profit, there is no interest and company can easily use it for expansion and growth projects. So for every business, when they want to expand the business and to make the growth of the business, definitely what is required, profit is required. And retention of profit means collection of profit of 4-5 years for the future need of the business. It is known as retention of profit. It's an internal source of fund. Why it is considered as internal source of fund? Because this fund is kept in the business as a reserve. Whenever we are not able to get the source of money from outer side, or from it is not available to us from inside the business, definitely we can use this reserve. The next is symbol of efficiency or an index of performance. Profits indicates whether a business is being managed efficiently or not. Profit acts as an index of performance of those who manage the business. Higher profit indicate the efficiency of management and lower profit indicate inefficiency of management. So why it is considered a symbol of efficiency? Because every businessman is doing well. Who is in the competition, who is not doing well, can be known from the profit. Has more and more profit means more and more survival of the business as well as more and more growth. Efficiency of the management. But whereas lower profit indicate inefficiency of management. The success of a business can be judged by its ability to earn profit. Reward for bearing the risk. As we already learned this point, profit is considered as a price or reward paid to a businessman for bearing the risk. Businessman invests money in the business only with the hope of earning profit. The desire to earn profit motivates the businessman to bear the uncertainties and unexpected risks. Profit and risk are directly related to each other. The higher the risk, the more is the profit, and lower the risk, less is the profit. So that's why we can consider that for every type of business risk, what is the profit, which can help us to come out from the uncertain situations. Have to gain reputation of goodwill. A profit earning company always has a better reputation in the market as compared to companies which are running in loss. So the rate of earning profit helps in creating a goodwill of the company in the market. The market price of shares increases with the increase in the profit. The companies with high rate of profit are able to raise loans and obtain credit more easily. Even efficient employees prefer to work in profit earning companies as these are able to offer higher wages and salaries. So profit help us to gain more and more reputation. As you have seen, many of the big businessmen are known just because of profit. As they are earning more profit, more name and fame in the market. Goodwill, the name of the company itself is considered as goodwill. Name means here if we are doing well, definitely more and more people will be knowing us by our name. That is known as goodwill, and it will help to gain the reputation. So that was the topic for today. That was the role of profit in the business and the types of risk. Thank you for the class.